Today, we are proud to have you, Manvendra Singh Gohil, at Social Story while we celebrate the Pride Month. I invite him to deliver the keynote address.
Thank you everyone very much, and good evening to all, and a happy Pride Month to all my listeners. I take pride in being part of this platform, the Social Story, which has been launched by my dear friend Reshma Jain, and I must say it's a very good initiative by her. But before that, let me tell you a bit about the LGBTQ movement in India and where we stand just now. So, with thanks to a lot of activists who have sacrificed their lives, some of them who sacrificed their time and energy, we have now reached to a stage where we have laws which we have changed in India with regards to our human rights, with regards to our equality, and with regards to anti-discriminatory laws. And some of the laws which were changed were the Transgender Recognition Act, which was the Protection Act, which was passed in 2019, and before that there were laws with regards to transgender bill and the NALSA judgment in the Supreme Court, as well as we have managed to decriminalize homosexuality in 2018 by the Supreme Court. Having said that, I've always believed that LGBT rights are nothing else but human rights, and human rights of this kind cannot be just won in the courtrooms, but in the hearts and the minds of the people we live with. And therefore, we have started campaigns, we have started advocacy programs all throughout the country to educate the people, to tell them about our struggles, about our challenges, about our journeys, which we all have gone through, just for them to love us, just for them to treat us equally, just for them to see that we do not get discriminated, just for them to see that we are living with peace and we live with dignity and respect. That's all we want from you. And I must say this initiative is a very good initiative which we all must participate, we all must wholeheartedly join hands together, because I believe that in unity there is strength. If we all together join hands as a family, as allies, as communities, and help the cause, help the LGBT community, and as we have heard that during the COVID period, the community, and especially the trans community, which got recognition after so many years in 2014, which they were not even included in the population of India. Now that they have been recognized by the government, recognized by the law, it is our duty to ensure that this community, which is historically very old, is sustained, is maintained, and is given the due recognition and the due love and the care which they ought to have given. And therefore, during this COVID period, whosoever have lost jobs, whosoever who have been deprived of their basic human rights, food and shelter and many things, and I am very happy that Social Story has taken up this initiative, and I wish them all the best for the future, and making this appeal to all of you who are listening to me to join hands and to support them and support their cause.